Before operating, carefully inspect the machine for any damage or leak. Fill the tank with water and add the recommended disinfectant solution at the proper amount. Plug the machine into a power source. To operate the fogger, switch on the power button located in the handle and adjust the valve switch to your desired fogging strength. During fogging, make sure to operate the machine facing away from the wind to allow the liquid to project properly. After every use, be sure to set the valve switch to 0 and turn off the power button. Then attach the sprayer to the machine. And lastly, unplug the machine power cord from the socket.